This video is sponsored by AppMaker.
Welcome back to another video of Educate WordPress. On this channel, we talk everything about WordPress. And today, we're going to make our own custom header and footer using Elementor. Let's get started. For this, we're going to need two plugins, Elementor itself, of course, and Elementor Header and Footer Builder. Both of the plugins website will be linked in the description. Just head over to the website and click on download. Go back to your dashboard, go to plugins, add new, click on upload plugin and choose the downloaded zip file. Now while this installs, let's talk a bit about our sponsor.
This video is sponsored by AppMaker. AppMaker is a WordPress plugin that converts WooCommerce websites to mobile apps. The mobile app builder helps you create native Android and iOS applications. Get 30% off by being first 200 sign up. Get the link in the description.
Now we're back and both of our plugins have been activated. Now let's head over to Appearances, Elementor Header and Footer Builder and click on Add New. We're going to name it Primary Header. Type of the template will be Header and we will display it on entire site. Now if we want to add header for users like logged in users or logged out user or editor, author, you can choose those options from here. For us, since we're making it for everyone, I'll click on nothing and let's click on publish. Now let's start editing with Elementor. Now if you don't know Elementor, don't worry. We have Elementor tutorial which will be linked in the description. Now let's start creating a header. We're going to add a nav menu. Let's click on update. Now this is our header. Let's add a bit of margin over here. Now as you can see, this is a header now, which really suits this website. Now let's create our footer. In the same way, click on add new. This will be footer. Just name it anything you want. Display on entire site. Again, you can add user roles. Click on publish and start creating your own footer using Elementor. Now this is our footer. Let's click on update. Refresh our website. As you can see, this is our footer, which looks pretty good. So by this, you can create your own custom header and footer using your own creative mind. Now that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Like if you find this video useful and subscribe. Thank you.